Hello, my friends and family in YouTube land. I wanted to share a little something with you. I received an email from a male to female transsexual sharing with me information of a very young male to female transsexual who took her life. It's very sad and heartbreaking to see individuals take away something so precious as life because either they don't feel comfortable in their own skin, they haven't been made felt love by their peers. So I guess it's a lot easier for them to just erase everything in the slate and start over. This particular young lady was very loved by her mother. So it was not the lack of love from her mother that made her exit our universe early. So it makes me wonder, is it self-acceptance that makes these young fallen angels leave our planet before their time? It shouldn't be this way. But who am I to say what should and shouldn't be? All I could do is share a little bit of my wisdom and my years. And as a transsexual person myself, one thing I have realized, it's never been about the acceptance of others, but about self-acceptance. Once I managed to understand that I am love, and love is me, and it doesn't matter what I have between my legs, then I finally found happiness, because I found self-love. And maybe we need to learn to be a little kinder to those around us. Make them feel welcome and loved. Because sometimes it's not about the parents, the siblings, but it's about the world in general. We need to learn to be kinder, more loving and acceptant. This particular male to female who contacted me asked me if I could write a song. Sarah meant a lot to Karina. And I understand her pain. So I put together a little song after Karina gave me some history about Sarah and how much Sarah meant to her. So through that essence and through the love I felt from Karina towards Sarah, I put the song together called October Rain. I'm hoping that people start to become a little kinder to one another. People start realizing that this vessel is but an illusion. What matters is what's inside our heart and soul. We are family, all of us, from the smallest little ant to the elephant, to every creature, every plant, every human being in this planet. We are related. And we need to start showing our love to one another. So, on that note, I'm going to attach the song to this video. And everyone, please keep Sarah in your prayers. Send love her way and love to her mom, who I'm sure is going through a very difficult time today on Mother's Day. We love you. And God bless.
So young
filled with love. Her smile hid all her pain. I knew the same. I felt her pain, remembering now October rain. Sarah, life had only just begun. The seasons change, and you took your love away. You were so loved, but couldn't see past the pain, and now you're gone. We will miss you till the day we meet again. Sarah, Sarah, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Your mother cries all through the night. So you know we've gotten tired. We cry for you, we share your pain. I'm there for her, October rain. Sarah, life had only just begun. The seasons change, and you took your love away. You were so loved, but couldn't see past the pain, and now you're gone. We will miss you till the day we meet again. Sarah, Sarah, la-la-la-la-la-la-la, la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sarah, life had only just begun. The seasons change, and you took your love away. You were so low, but couldn't see past the pain, and now you're gone. And we will miss you till the day we meet again. Sarah, Sarah, oh Sarah, la-la-la-la-la-la.